Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we be unboxing one plastic motor kit. It's not a Gundam. It's a injection machine. It's like injection molding machine. It's a Bandai Hobby Center original. This still follow the scale 1/60 scale. So this is info for the injection machine. This is image from the front and the back. The info. This is the name. Electromotive style injection machine. Bandai Hobby Center original. So see what inside here. Only one runner and one piece of manual. So simple. This is the step by step. And the back and finish product. And here the runner. Okay, got a sticker here. Sticker. Name of the machine and maybe a part number. And this is the parts. So I will do the speedbook later and review for you. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.